In this question, you have to identify where the receptor sites for neurotransmitters are present. Option A, presynaptic membrane. It is incorrect because presynaptic membrane is the site where synaptic vesicles release the neurotransmitter into the synaptic cleft in case of this chemical synapse. But it does not contain receptor for neurotransmitter. Option B, tips of axons. It is also incorrect because the tips of axons, that is the axon terminals, they contain the synaptic vesicles containing the neurotransmitters, but they do not have the receptor sites. Option C, postsynaptic membrane. Now, the postsynaptic membrane contains specific receptors for neurotransmitters, and these receptors bind to the neurotransmitters that are released into the synaptic cleft, thus enabling the signal transmission to the next neuron or the effector. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, membrane of synaptic vesicles. It is also incorrect because synaptic vesicles store neurotransmitters, but their membranes are involved in the release process, and that is the exocytosis, rather than having receptors for neurotransmitters.